Hey all, welcome back. Today we are going to do one DIY on succulent arrangement, hanging DIY. So let's begin with the video. To start with this DIY project, we need plastic containers, waste plastic containers, as well as jute thread and a hot glue gun. So you can cover the containers with jute thread just like this. After making the container ready, covered with jute thread, another thing needed is this type of metal wire. So you have to cut it in a proper length so that you can hang the container properly on your DIY project. So insert the metal wire in the container just like this. And then we have to cover that metal wire with jute thread also. Now the container is ready and we can start with some decoration on it. So for that we can again use jute thread to make it more beautiful just like this. You can make this type of flowers on it, or you can make some braid on it, or you can do whatever kind of beautification you can add on the container. Now let us take metal wire to make circular loop just like this. This loop will be useful to hang the container in it. Before that we have to cover the loop with jute thread using the hot glue gun. Tie a knot after properly covering the circular loop like this, and then use the same thread to hang the container. Try to hang the container in such a manner so that it can free float in the circular loop. It will look very beautiful. Now let us start with repotting the succulent in this beautiful containers. So for that you have to take succulent potting mix. I have taken similar succulent potting mix. I will put the link in description. I have purchased it online. So you can purchase the same potting mix to plant your succulent also. Fill the extra space around the plant with the soil. Tap the container properly so that it will get settled properly and there will not be any kind of the gap in between, and will look very beautiful. Prepare all the containers in same way. After that, another thing needed is a dried twig. This twig is needed to hang all the containers together. So first of all, we have to make arrangement for hanging the twig on the wall. So for that you have to use the jute thread like this, and then attach a jute thread on the loop of your container and connect the another end of that thread with the twig. Tie it properly and apply hot glue gun at the end to make the knot more stronger. Try and arrange all the containers in some uneven levels. It will look more beautiful. Water these succulents once in a week. It will be enough for them, and you can water them directly in the soil. Do not wet the leaves. Consider subscribing if you are new here and if you have liked the video. Thanks for watching. Happy gardening!